Yeah, here's my little buddy. Wasn't able to get a hold of the bird rescue. Seemed a little bit better. She'll take water when offered, but still kind of got that drooping, bobbing head. Yeah, and I'll get to flapping her wings. Oop. Hey, Bubby. My sister said if you gently massage their neck, sometimes that can be of help, but sometimes there's nothing can be done. So sometimes I'll stroke her head and she'll close her eyes. See, that's good that she picks her head up to dip it in the water jug. That's better than she was able to do before. Her head was just kind of just dangling. So I tried to put a little foam collar on her, like a neck support, but it seemed like it kind of stressed her out a bit, so I abandoned that. But yeah, the bird rescue, if they're open today, being a holiday, they should open at 9, so maybe I can call and see what they say. Bye-bye. Yeah, that's about it.